Hi everyone, today we are here with one more video, and it's about I purchased a Boya V20. So there's one more unboxing which I bought the LED light, that is the mini tripod light, and then we will unbox these two things today, and then we will see for the Boya microphones how it works and is it really worth it purchasing this one, if you can see closely, or no. Let's do the procedure. So that is suitable for the C type. If it's iPhone 15 Pro Max or any kind of a C type cable, that is suitable. It's been a long time I was really searching for, and this mini packet is coming up along with that, and one transmitter. So it looks like that. One transmitter, which is like this, and then other two ones. So until now I did not start the microphones. Today I came out for the microphone so that we can be outside, and then we can see how the noise cancellation will work. There are two microphones with this one. One is here and one is here, and the other one two charging cable which is coming along with that. Here we go. And here is the transmitter which we will use it, and let's start the procedure. Okay, so I already applied one microphone here. I already installed here one, and then other one is here. Red light is coming, and then now blue light is coming up. So here I will change this one to this one because it's already on. Okay, so I think we can clearly, let's see how the voice difference is coming up. So okay, I already installed the microphone here, and then now we have to go a bit far to see the voice difference. And then at the very start I did not use the microphones, and now I'm already using my microphones to see the clear difference, that how it works. So if we are applying the microphones, what is the results are coming up, and then if we are using without microphones, so how we can see the difference. So let's go a bit far. Okay, bit more. As you can see, the noise of the birds are coming up. So we can, clearly differentiate that how it works. So I'm already here, very far. Then now I'm coming close by to see either the voice is coming clearly or there's a distortion. So I already done the voice test, and then which clearly shows that it's worth purchasing it. I think so. The charging is going up to 9 hours, and then if you're charging after the 9 hours or before using. So you can charge this microphone with this USB cable, and then it will go up to 9 hours. And if you are going for really long recordings, make sure that you can charge the transmitter of that that microphone, so that it will long lasting. And then it will go more than 9 hours if you are charged properly, and at the same time, if you are doing a vlogging or any kind of a short-term shoots, any outdoor shoots, that microphone is the best for the outdoor vloggings, which really helps. So I do have one more opening. I have to open that box which I ordered from the Amazon. That is the LED light. If you are vlogging outside, outdoors most of the time, at that time you can use the LED light. That is really helpful during the outdoor times, and at the same time if there is so much dark, that's right, that LED light is really a game changer. So it is how they packed it inside, or because it's a sensitive thing, and then they really do a good packing. So that's how the LED light shows up here. You can see it's a round circle one. And then what are the instructions coming up? So it comes up 180 free rotation ring light, and then 3 light mode is coming up along with that, and 5 brightness. There's a brightness adjustment which is coming up, the 5 brightness adjustment, and then type C charging port. And I did not expect that we have to charge the this selfie light, a ring light, we can say that, but it turns out we have to charge it. Let's start the unboxing procedure, which is coming. So if you can open this one, there's an instruction book is coming up along with the instruction book. So here we are opening, it's wrapping up. They wrap it really nicely. And if we can use this one, So here are few things which is mentioned. So this one is the power button, if you can see it clearly, and then after that you can use, you can use the brightness from the plus button, at the same time decrease the brightness from this minus, you can see the minus button for this one. And then C type here, if you can open this one, it comes like that, and then you can, there's a C type cable which comes along, and you can charge from here. And then let's start the procedure of opening the switch on button. So here it comes up. Here, if you can see, that is really exciting. I mean, that is the first time I ordered my LED light after thinking from the long time. So first thing, so it comes more brightness and more and more. So if you want the brightness, I mean, if you want to minimize the brightness, then you have to come like a slower. I mean, you have to press that minus button, which comes along with this one. So you have to press this button, and then it comes like that. And then if you want to increase the brightness, it depends on the darkness level. I mean, if you are out, and then if you need a more brightness, then you can press the plus button, and then it will increase the more brightening level, and then decrease from there to there to there. So far, I was not expecting this much. I mean, it will turned out really nicely. And then from the Amazon, I purchased this one. I mean, it is a quite budget friendly, and I purchased this one, which is coming up around 13. Yeah, around 13 pound. It's coming up. That is really nice. And then I would highly recommend, guys, you can purchase this one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.